This is a pre-built version of the application. So let's go ahead and run it. Now the implicit constraints that we have here is that adjacent regions must have different colors. So the variables are regions or state in this case, and the values are colors. And the domain or the colors that are allowed for the different states are those four. And the solution will have a list of variable equal value assignments satisfying all constraints. And we will be using the backtracking search algorithm. So depth first search plus considering assignments to a single variable at each step, and considering only values which do not conflict with the previous assignments. And here we ordered the states from most constraint to least constraint. So the one with the biggest number of neighbors to the ones with the least number of neighbors. And this is a derived list of implicit constraints. So this state will be or must be assigned a different color from all those states. And this one, same thing with all those states, etc. And this is a solution that we found. So variable equal value or state equal color, and this state is assigned this color, and all its neighbors will have different colors. And same for this one, all those neighbors will have different colors, etc. Now the source code for this prototype project will be available for download. Also a longer version will be available for watching by channel members, and it will include coding and test running the application.